This is a recording of the Unit 4 assessment, Voices and Viewpoints. Remember that the questions are in the correct order, but the answers might not be in the same order that yours are, but they are still the same answer choices, just in different orders. Question 1. In the rainy day, the rhyme and meter work together to give the poem what kind of sound? Complex and unpredictable, simple and rhythmic, jazzy and strong. Question 2. How is the speaker able to find hope in the rainy day? He notices the new green grass sprouting. He remembers the sun behind the clouds. He makes a new friend. Question 3. In Mending Wall, what does the neighbor represent? Friendliness, tradition, unity. Question 4. The speaker in Mending Wall would like to tear down the wall and get closer to his neighbor, buy his neighbor's property, ignore his neighbor altogether. Question 5. Which best describes the mood of We Real Cool? Hopeful, imposing, rebellious. Question 6. In The Negro Speaks of River, why is the image of rivers effective? The rivers are associated with the collective voice. The rivers were created by African Americans. The poet shows how the survival of his people is like the long life of the rivers. Question 7. Which word best describes the reaction of the universe to the man's assertion of his existence in A Man Said to the Universe by Stephen Crane? Confused, honored, uncaring. Question 8. The different views of the sea held by the maiden and the sailor in To the Maiden are a result of the deep dislike and mistrust that these two figures have for one another, the different experiences that each person has had with the sea, the fact that the sailor is an optimist and the maiden is a pessimist. Question 9. In I Saw a Man Pursuing the Horizon, humanity's efforts can best be characterized as futile, successful, insincere. Question 10. Why does the speaker in Chicago have a sense of pride about his city? The city is alive and strong despite its problems. The city has crooked citizens. The city has a lot of tool makers.